What is cracking, y'all, man? Today I'm gonna do the video y'all wanted, bro. I'm gonna do the video. We gonna do the little junkyard haul and stuff like that. I'm really going to get those two side pieces, you feel me? Because I really need those just to get my car to the paint shop and get it going. So that's the main thing we're going for. Hopefully we can find two perfect little side ducts and be good. Everything else is just the extra. If we go find some other stuff, that's good. If not, either way it's good. As long as we find those two pieces, those two side duct pieces, we're good to roll, bro, and that'll be a W in my eyes, you feel me? So yeah, so I'm gonna get to the yard, see what we can find at the yard. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we find two good pieces, and then like I said, everything else is extra. If we need whatever we need, we'll see, you feel me? So I will talk to y'all when we get to the spot, you feel me? Alright guys, so we basically came to get these bad boys. This is 3/8 right here, but I'm looking at it, they should still fit, man. Like, they should, I think they'll do the job, you feel me? Everything's the same. It's just like mine kind of stopped a little bit more up here type stuff, you feel me? But these will work. These will work for sure. Probably gonna pop these out right here. I don't like that. Y'all know I like the honeycomb. Pop that out, and we should have a winner, you feel me? Like, these should work. Put them on, bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna pull this last one off right here. Pull this off. Y'all check this out right here. Check this out. Look at this fender. The day I don't need a fender, I come here every damn time, y'all know, and the fenders are always, check this fender out. Check this fender out. Y'all like that? Not a single, flawless. Still has a lining in it. Flawless. Look at this. But one day I don't need a fender. Y'all think I should grab it or what? I ain't gonna grab it, bro. I ain't gonna grab it. Anyway, you gonna take this? Bada bing. Grab this one. Try to finesse it. I didn't get my tools today, so with that being said, muscle it out like this, man. That. That one off. Simple as that. And then keep the clips, you feel me? Because you want to just pop it in. I don't have to do all the other stuff. You feel me? Bang. 1, 2, 3. Easy as water. You're literally gonna take these. Actually, I need these two. Take these. Same thing. Slip them in here. Ooh. That goes there. These ones. Just go there. And the last one, I think I lost it, or didn't have it or something. But I ain't checking because it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter, you feel me? Get done. Let me get the last two on the other side too, because I forgot those. These bad boys, put them on the car, get that stuff painted next week. Yes, sir. Take these. I need this from you. So yeah, all this time, these gonna be done, y'all. These gonna be done. Feel me? This. Grab that. They're confused over there. They need my help, but I ain't gonna help. I'm just kidding. Nah. But yeah, bro. Trying to think what else we can grab off the car. I think that's gonna be it, man. And it's a 3/8, so not really too many as far as in the inside and stuff. Not really too much stuff I can use. We don't have a lot of cars right here no more. I don't know why. Ouch. They used to have a lot, but they've been moving stuff, so I don't know, man. It's kind of sad, but it is a W that we got these, so we can get the car to the paint shop. So that being said, I mean, it's gonna be pretty short. You know, the video's gonna be pretty short-lived. There's not a lot of Mustangs, so yeah, we're just gonna take these and run with them. So we'll put these on. It's the plan. Put these on Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. I got a package that's coming in. Once the package comes in, we'll get that. If it comes in, matter of fact, I might get the car painted Tuesday and just take the part up to the paint shop to get it paint matched, or I might just wait till Wednesday, but we'll see. Either way it goes, the car will be painted next week, and y'all gonna see it, the new color, man. The color, I mean, y'all been waiting on this. I've been waiting on this. Everybody been waiting on this, bro. I'm so happy. Can't you tell? Nah, but for real, I'm really happy, man. I can't wait for this to be done so I can just move on to something else as far as like, just like seats and like the motor and all the other good stuff, you feel me? So we're gonna get this knocked out the park. The outside's gonna look fire. We got the fitment dialed in. So happy about that. And yeah, man, just a piece at a time. We're gonna get it locked in. Couldn't do this without y'all, man. It's all y'all, man. Y'all keep me motivated. Y'all keep me grinding. Y'all keep me going. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Remember, kids, don't do drugs. Stay in school. Go to college. Listen to your parents. All that good stuff, you feel me? That'll get you far in life. You'll be very successful. You will prosper. God loves you all, you feel me? So I love y'all. Again, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, because if you don't turn them on, y'all not gonna get this stuff when we drop the heat every time. You feel me? I'm gonna be more consistent. I'm gonna get better with this, but turn the post notifications on so y'all see everything that's happening with me, you feel me? So that being said, I love y'all. Y'all making me who I am, and I'll see you on the next video.